Hello, my name is Dr. Malik King, and today we'll be looking at 5 simple tips to lose belly fat with some scientific evidence. Number 1, reduce amount of sugar intake. In the body, excess sugar gets converted to fat, and so it's logical to reduce body fat. You reduce the amount of sugar intake. We will be reducing added sugar in every form. We reduce the amount of processed foods because they are usually high in sugars. Also, we reduce the amount of soft drinks and fruit juice we take and replace these with a habit of increased water intake in black coffee and green tea. This research shows that increased sugar consumption is associated with visceral obesity, which is tummy fat. Number 2, increase amount of protein intake. Increase in amount of protein intake and vegetables promotes fullness, decrease appetite, increase metabolic rate, and reduce craving. And so we will be increasing the amount of foods that are high in protein like egg, fish, beans, meat, and dairy products. This research shows that protein intake was inversely related to waist circumference. So the higher the amount of protein intake, the lower the waist circumference or tummy fat. Number 3, reduce amount of alcohol intake. For some persons, belly fat is due to alcohol, so it's logical to reduce belly fat. You reduce the amount of alcohol you take. No, you don't have to stop completely. You just reduce the amount you take and do the reduction gradually. This research here shows that alcohol consumption in elevated amount was associated with increased risk of abdominal obesity, which is tummy fat. Number 4, practice regular aerobic exercise. You see, it is not possible to lose fat in only one spot or a particular part of the body, say the tummy, and that is why exercises like sit-ups and crunches hardly work. However, it is more effective to do aerobic exercises like rope skipping, brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling at least 3 times every week. This research here shows that aerobic exercises such as brisk walking, light jogging, the use of stationary bicycle is required for visceral fat reduction, which is loss of belly fat. Number 5, practice intermittent fasting. You see, intermittent fasting has numerous health benefits, and weight loss is one of them. There are different methods of intermittent fasting, but one of the best is the 16-18 method, and this is how it works. Skip breakfast every day and eat during an 8-hour feeding window, for example from 12 noon through to 8 p.m. and fast for the remaining 16 hours. This research findings show promise for the use of intermittent fasting and alternate day fasting for weight loss. Thank you very much for being here with me. If you find this helpful, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy, stay happy now and always.